Hello, today I will guide you on how to fix the taskbar not hiding in full screen mode on Windows 11. Step 1. Open Windows Settings. Open the search menu by clicking the Start button or pressing Windows plus S. Type Settings in the search bar. Click on Settings from the search results. Step 2. Adjust taskbar settings. In the Settings window, select Personalization from the left menu. On the right side, scroll down and click on Taskbar. Scroll down and click Taskbar Behaviors. Look for Automatically Hide the Taskbar. Step 3. Restart Windows Explorer. If adjusting the settings does not fix the issue, try restarting Windows Explorer. Close the Settings window, right-click on the Start button and select Task Manager. Right-click on the Start button and select Task Manager. Right-click Windows Explorer and select Restart. Wait a few moments for the taskbar to refresh. That's it. Your taskbar should now hide properly in full screen mode. If the issue persists, you can try toggling the automatically hide the taskbar setting on and off again.
Woo!